Hi guys, my name is Annie and today I will be doing a knot video. The knot I will be teaching you guys today is called a bowline. This knot is used to tie a line securely around an object. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is make a loop. Then take the end of your rope and put it through the loop we just made. After, go around the line and go back to the loop we made. And lastly, pull tightly together. And we just made a bowline. Now I'll be showing you how to do it around an object. So first, make your loop, then put the end of your rope around the object and inside the loop. Go around the rope and go back up the same loop and pull both of them tightly together. And now you have made a bowline and it's securely. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!